So hey guys, again welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make stunning intros as you saw before in your YouTube videos. So without further ado, let's begin. So first of all, you need to install an application known as Pixel Lab, and I will leave a link of this application in the description box, and you can get this application from App Store easily. So after installing it, you simply need to open it, and in this text option you simply need to double click on it and type your text. So I have typed my text, and you need to type two different texts. Means this is my first text how to, and my second text will be do anything, because my channel's name is how to do anything, and you need to type text according to your channel's name and click on OK. And after clicking on OK, you simply need to click on this, as you can see, A option. So as you will click on it, you simply need to choose the option of font, which is over here, as you can see. So as you will click on the font option, you need to choose your favorite font. So I am going to choose my font and click OK. And after choosing the font, you need to position your text in the center. So you need to click on this relative position. So as you will click on it, you again need to click on this option, the center one. So as you will click on it, your text will be aligned at the center, and then you simply need to click on tick. And now you need to go over here, this option, this one, the layer option. So as you will click over there, you will see an option again of transparent. So you need to click on transparent, and your text will be and the background of the text will be transparent. So that was it. So now you need to export your image. So simply need to go over here and click on save as image, and you need to change the quality of the image from default to ultra, and simply need to click on save image. So after clicking on save image, your image will be saved in your gallery. So you need to repeat these same steps for your second text, which is do anything for me. So I have already done it, so you need to do it, repeat the same step for your second text. So after saving both the text, you simply need to load up your KineMaster application and go on a plus icon and select 16:9 ratio, and you need to go on media, and you simply need to import a Sparkle video, and the link of this Sparkle video will be there in the description box. So after importing this Sparkle videos, you simply need to expand your clip, this much according to you, and you need to drag your video, and you need to stop somewhere over here when the first sparkle appears. So let me adjust it. So you need to stop somewhere over here and go on layer and bring the image, your first text. So I will bring my first text, which is how to, and I will adjust it according to me. So you also need to adjust it according to your text, and I think this is good. So now you need to choose the in animation as slide right, and you need to change the speed to the minimum, and then click on tick. So now let me preview it. So I think that's look good. So now we are done with the first sparkle, and you need to do the same thing with the second sparkle. So let me expand my video a bit, and I will somewhere stop over here, and again I will add my second text, which is do anything. So I will simply import it in my timeline and adjust it somewhere over here, and I will also again add that same animation, which is slide right at the same speed, and click on take. So now let me preview it once more. So guys, I've adjusted my text according to me. So if you think that the output is abrupt, so you can also align your text according to you, like this, as I'm doing. And over here again I will do the same thing, and let me again preview it. So I think that's good, and now you are almost done with your intro. So now you need to go at the start of the video and click on layer and image and select a black background, and after selecting the black background you need to change the color of the background according to you. So I am going to select orange and click on take and do it to full screen. And now you need to select your solid color which is orange for me, and you need to scroll down and go to blending option, and you need to select the option as overlay and click on take. So now you can see that all my sparkle and text are highlighted with orange color. So now let me preview it. And guys, let me tell you that if you don't have this option of blending over here, this option of blending, so I will leave a link of a video in the I icon. From there you can download KineMaster, where you get all the premium features for free, and this option is also available there, this blending option. So yeah, you can download it also. So after your first sparkle you can change the color of your background. So now let me show you how to do it. So you need to bring your timeline at this point where your next sparkle is about to appear. So over here, and you need to place a cut in this orange solid color, and now you need to select this second solid color according to you. So I'm going to choose blue, and now you again need to preview your video. So yeah, I think that's good. And now the third and the last sparkle will appear. So when this sparkle appears, you again need to place a cut on your solid color, and you can change the color of the third solid color. So I prefer purple, so you can choose according to you, or you can also keep the color same throughout your intro. So now let me preview it again. So guys, I think that this is good enough. So now at the ending you need to select an out animation. So first of all, let me take my all the layers till the end, my solid color and both the text over here. And now you need to place a cut in the layers when the audio starts to fade. So now let me preview it again for you guys. So guys, as you can see, the audio is now getting fade. So you need to place a cut over here, and you need to click the option, select the option as this one, which is trim right to play ahead. So I will select this, and you do not need to move your timeline at all, and do the same for the text also. So as you can see that my all the layers are ending at the same time. So now I am going to add an animation to my text, so which is known as out animation. So you need to click on the out animation, and again select the out animation as slide right, and keep the timing at the minimum. And you need to do the same thing for the second text, out animation, slide right and minimum. So now we are going to preview our whole intro. So yeah, see. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you find this video helpful and interesting, so do like the video, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe it, because I am going to bring out much more interesting videos and tutorials on KineMaster for you guys. So bye guys, and if you have any queries regarding this topic, so do comment down below, and follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link of my Instagram account in the description box below. So bye and bye.